Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and then jump straight into installation. Install your chosen load balancer package on the designated host and open ports 80 and 443. Once done, create a minimal configuration file with your front-end listener and a placeholder backend pool containing one server entry. Make sure to save and test syntax with the tool's config-check command. This catches obvious mistakes early. This step gets you from zero to a runnable process quickly, so you can iterate on actual traffic handling. Now flesh out the middle. Add every backend server with explicit IP and port, and assign weights to influence traffic distribution. Configure active health checks that request a simple path so the balancer can remove unhealthy nodes automatically. Set an appropriate interval and timeout to avoid flapping. If your app needs sticky sessions, enable cookie or source IP persistence and explain why you chose that method. Once these details are in, reload the balancer and watch the log for backend selection behavior and check results. To finish, run comprehensive tests, curl specific endpoints, open the app in a browser, and simulate concurrent requests to validate distribution. Verify SSL termination if applicable, and confirm headers like x_forwarded_for are correct. Make sure monitoring and basic metrics are enabled so you can observe latency and error rates. If something fails, prioritize checking health check responses, firewall and DNS resolution, and backend application logs. These are the common culprits. One quick troubleshooting tip: if backends show
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.